Hi guys, McKenna here, and if you're new, welcome to my channel. Also, don't forget to subscribe. So today I'll be cleaning my dog house. Yeah, they don't even sleep in these houses anymore. They like to sleep outside. So I'll be cleaning them. You can see Duke used to sleep in this house, in this kennel, and Blackie used to sleep in this other kennel. But since he died last year, it's been empty, and Duke was like lonely, and he stopped also sleeping in this kennel. So today I'll be cleaning it because I'll be bringing in some new birds. I want to bring in some new birds tomorrow, and I want to do some cleaning. So when they come, the place will be nice and clean. After that, I'll go get some sawdust, come pour sawdust all over, ndo kupoa kusafi. Yeah, you can see my tools are already there. That's Bella. My tools are on set, my gloves over there. Yeah, so get ready, start cleaning my dog kennels. Yeah. So this kennel is even more messier, you can see. So this one we were putting hay for the goats. That's why it looks like this. It's pretty dirty. It needs some thorough cleaning. So yeah, let's continue. The place was so dusty and I didn't even have a mask on. I wish I would have bought a mask because wow, nimekula vumbi. You can see Poppy always there with the shenanigans. Mama's boy. Kofi has been a mama's boy ever since. I don't know, because first round Bella gave birth. She gave birth to 6 pups and 5 were female. Poppy was the only male puppy. And he's always following the mama. Mama's boy. So far I hope the videos is not boring. I hope you're enjoying. And yeah, so in the house, you see, you know, when you're at home, you're not dressing up for anyone. So when you're at home, uko factory settings, you know, there's the time when you're sent to the shop looking like, I don't know, sijui ndo unapatanga. Now it's everyone is there. It's like a reunion. You're not even well dressed, but unapatana na watu they're well dressed and you're at home. I'm not dressing for anyone, but for factory settings, yeah. I was actually enjoying doing this. I'm a handy girl, you know, always doing work with your hands, what. So I'm not a corporate chick. I remember this one time when I was employed. I won't say where, but where? Kuamka asubuhi at going to work, you're all dressed, you're up, hey, and then jioni you're back in the house and you're tired. Hey, that was not my thing, manze. So me I like doing these handiworks. Like, I think that's what creative people like, because me and my bro, we are kind of different. Him is corporate, me on this side nitafanya hizi kazi zingine. Yeah, like my brother can do such work. He is meant for those, you know, white collar jobs, watu wa ofisi. Ama mimi si mtu wa kuemployewa. I'm my own boss. So I think if you're an own boss, you like to work for yourself, doing this handy job, even though it's dirty job, you're still enjoying it. Because what I know, what I was taught by my mom, is that any work that you're doing with your hands, kazi yoyote unafanya na mkono yako, hautailala njaa, because God blesses the work of your hands. Trust. Remember when I told you guys we used to have a dog called Blackie, but he died. So when I was cleaning this kennel, I sort of missed him. He was big. He was a Australian. No, he was a German Shepherd stroke Rottweiler. He was mixed breed, but he was big but soft. So manze, he died like a virgin. Oh, I miss him manze. Manze alikufa tu. So guys, the but Coop stroke kennel is finally clean, halfway clean. This place is well ventilated. You can see it's well ventilated, guys. You can see over here, you can see the other room. It's well ventilated, guys. You can see, right? Yeah, more holes at the kennel. You can see on top. Holes over there. Like there's good circulation of air in this room. You can see. Poppy is like wondering what's happening over here. I was sleeping in this kennel and now it's so clean. I can't wait to get my babies. Guys, hydrate. I needed that. Yep, this kennels needed to be scrubbed na omo. Yeah, because it was so dirty. And yeah, so guys, acha niweke kangoma mkule ngoma as you watching me. This polite music. Okay. So my babies came to check what's up. They're always hunting for rats. Alafu, funny thing, they don't know rats in English. Wanajua Kiswahili hao. Hao ni Waswahili. Ukiwaambia tu panya, they know where to get those panyas. Yeah. Polite music. the cleaning, and I'll show you when it's all done completely. So stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe. So it's done, guys. I'll wait for this place to dry because lazima kutakauka, and then yeah, that's it. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. So that's the last video. The place was clean. I took it when the place was dry. And yeah, please stay tuned, guys, and thank you for watching.